Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best graphical settings for Battlefield 2042 for max FPS and the best performance you can get. So let's go together and let me show you what you can do. Let's click on options and let's click here next to display general. And here you can just like enable or disable crossplay. It's not going to affect your FPS, but I have it on because like I can play with other people. Then you're gonna have display here. In display, you want to go full screen mode because that's the best. In the moment when you're gonna have borderless or windowed, it's not going to be that effective. Full screen device, your main monitor, full screen resolution. You can go with the max of your resolution, but of course you can lower it. That's really up to you. And 60 Hz. Again, that's completely up to you which one you're gonna choose. These are important, but not that much. Of course, full screen resolution is going to impact. Like if I'm going to have the lowest resolution, it's going to be a much higher FPS. Field of view, go to 65 to 80. 25 3P field of view, I would go 25 to 40. That's again completely up to you. Add field of view off. Brightness 50-60. That's really like that's okay. High dynamic range off. Motion blur 0. Chromatic aberration. Everything, all of these needs to be off, 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 off. Then we're gonna have the graphic quality right here. And let's go. So custom, texture quality, medium. Then texture filtering, medium. Lighting quality, effects quality, low. We go further, post-process quality, low. Mesh quality, low. Current quality, medium. Undergrowth quality, low. DTA, low. Ambient conclusion, off. Now when you got it, advanced, this is going to be off. Dynamic resolution scale. Then we're going to see the NVIDIA reflex low latency. We are going to be enabled. And we can go also enable plus boost. Future frame rendering off. Vertical sign off. High fidelity objects armor low. And this is pretty much how you do it. Right? And now your FPS should be much better. Of course, you can optimize it as much as you want. That's completely up to you. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.